Hello, I'm Mrs. Liu. Today we're going to go through this maths question. The line K is parallel to the line 2x plus 3y equals to 6 and passes through the point 3,5. Find the equation of line K. Okay, we know the general equation of a straight line is y equals to mx plus c. M refers to the gradient and c refers to the y-intercept. Okay, so we're going to arrange this such that it looks like y equals to mx plus c. So 2x plus 3y equals to 6. So 3y is equals to minus 2x plus 6. So I'm going to bring this 3 over. So it'll be minus 2/3 x plus 2. Okay, can you see? This one looks like this equation over here. Okay, so the m is actually minus 2/3 and c is actually 2. And we know that since this is a parallel line, the gradient has to be the same. Okay, we use red color. Okay, the gradient has to be the same. That means this line K has a gradient of minus 2/3, but we need to find the y-intercept. So we're going to substitute this point 3,5 into this equation. So this equation is y equals to minus 2/3 x plus c. We're going to find c. We're going to substitute this point in. Okay, so you substitute 3,5 into the equation of the line. So what is y? Y is actually 5. And x is actually 3. And 3 we can cancel off. And c is equals to 5 plus 2. So that is 7. So that means the y-intercept is actually 7 and the gradient is minus 2/3. So hence the equation of the line is y equals to minus 2/3 x plus 7. That's the equation of line L. Sorry, line K. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for joining me. Remember, you are a miracle.